Have you ever thought you were the last person in the office, armed the security system, and left, only to discover later that a colleague was still working late in another area and accidentally triggered the alarm? Not only can this cause panic, but it can also be quite embarrassing, especially if the police end up being dispatched. In this video, I'll show you a possible solution that can help prevent situations like this from happening. The solution is called Siren Squawking. Basically, when the system begins the arming process, the siren emits a short but loud squawk to let everyone know that arming has started. This feature becomes especially important if you have auto arming enabled. As you can imagine, and depending on your setup, with auto arming enabled, the system may arm automatically whether someone is still inside the building or not. The squawk serves as a warning to anyone still on site, giving them a chance to either disarm the system or exit the building before the system fully arms. Keep in mind that siren behavior may vary depending on the alarm panel you are using. For example, on an Evo panel, the squawking starts when you start arming and only stops once the system is fully armed. Be sure to test your setup first so you know exactly how your particular system behaves. For the demo, I am using a piezo siren instead of a regular siren to minimize disturbing my family and neighbors. In your case, expect the sound to be very loud. That is why this feature is typically used in office setups. To enable this feature, press the power button followed by your master code. In this example, I'm using the default master code, 1234. Your code will most likely be different. Next, press the bypass key, the BYP button, and then press 4.
Go on.
You should hear 3 quick beeps, and the number 4 should begin flashing. This indicates that the feature has been successfully enabled. Finally, press clear twice to exit programming mode. Now let's try it, and stick around to the end to find out how to disable it. Notice that beep is coming from the piezo, not from the keypad. They sound the same, but my keypad is currently muted. Now when I disarm the panel, I get 2 beeps. Remember, this would be coming from the siren, but I have a piezo in its place. To disable this feature, press the power button followed by your master code. Next, press the bypass key, the BYP button. Notice that the number 4 is currently lit, indicating that the feature is enabled. Press 4 to turn the feature off. You should hear a long beep confirming that the feature has been disabled, and the number 4 will begin flashing. Finally, press clear twice to exit programming mode.